Hi, this is Jennifer Westrick, and this is my facilitation on Chapter 25, Critical Thinking and Gifted Students Using Impact to Improve Teaching and Learning. So our overview today is just a little bit of an introduction to thinking skills, what is impact, 3 components of impact, why use impact, using impact to differentiate the curriculum, and the discussion prompt. So to begin, a little bit about Introduction to Thinking Skills. The authors of this article say that we learn thinking in a social context. A child's ability to activate good thinking at the appropriate time results from supported dialogue which occurs in thoughtful classrooms. Teaching for thinking means teaching for intelligent behaviors, an activity too important to be left to chance even for our gifted children. And over time, children's thinking becomes tentative and reluctant. So the 3 components of impact. Impact is the acronym for increase maximum performance by activating critical thinking. And they organize their thinking program into 3 components. The first one, impact, provides teachers with a curriculum framework of 22 skills that they refer to as the universe of critical thinking, which integrates thinking both within and across disciplines. The second one, impact, introduces 10 teaching behaviors that engage and sustain critical thinking on the part of individual students and classroom groups. And third, impact includes a lesson design that can be used to develop and remodel lessons which elicit quality thinking. So a little bit more in depth on component 1. These skills focus student attention on a transfer of a common set of skills to varied learning tasks and increases efficient and effective use of student time. Students develop competence with thinking tools which help them to access, process, and apply new information. For component 2, the 10 teaching behaviors are promotion of interaction through cooperative learning, sequencing of cognitive skills from simple to complex, sequencing of modalities from concrete to abstract, modeling and demonstrating, high-level questioning to promote thoughtful dialogue, cueing with the language of thinking, probing with well-planned series of questions, symbolizing ideas using graphic organizers, reflecting wait time, and teaching for transfer. The third component of impact, the lesson design, which helps teachers analyze the prerequisites needed for success through each new thinking skill. It targets specific objectives, outlines teaching strategies, and provides for applications and variations. Teachers learn to structure lessons that capitalize on a student's previous knowledge and provide relevant entry points for new learning. So why use impact? In an academic setting, students' abilities to gather, organize, analyze, evaluate, and apply information improve performance in reading, language arts, mathematics, science, and social studies. When internalized, these skills transfer to any learning task. Thinking skills assist students in constructing and shaping an understanding of the world in which they live. Impact lessons begin with the concrete, active experiences. Teachers facilitate learning through interacting with the students. Then the students work independently as well as in groups, and teachers affirm, cue, and probe to extend thinking. So using impact to differentiate the curriculum. The term differentiation refers to a process of building and or modifying curriculum to match the needs of learners. Differentiated curriculum for gifted students must include planned experiences to develop productive, complex, and higher level thinking skills. Impact bridges the gap between intuitive knowing and conscious competence. So this leads me to the discussion prompt. So discussion prompt number 1, in your opinion, why is it important to teach thinking skills? And 2, how can you or how do you incorporate teaching thinking skills into your lessons? I am interested to hear what you have to say. Thank you for listening.